Eddie lose his money and Eddie V in the house watching me lose my money. And we're gonna watch the green line go over the yellow line, and then we're gonna buy and we're gonna make some money on it. Buying options, trading the spy, living the life of ride sharing to do day trading. Vinny, what you got to say?
Good morning.
Not too motivated.
I'm up. I'm up. I'm a little concerned with the markets after watching my guy last night or this morning because Eddie kept me up too goddamn late last night with the rideshare garage, our live stream. Eddie kept me. It's all Eddie's fault, bro. Today is Eddie's fault. I'm motivated, but I'm not like chipper.
I had a call this morning at 5:15, so I had to get up. And guess what? It was a good thing that I did it. Why? The guy's a pilot.
Oh,
And with my very entrepreneurial ways that I have with everybody, he is a pilot. He's got his own private jet, and he flies very wealthy people into other countries.
uh-huh.
He told me to give him a call.
So did you give him a call?
No, I just met him like a couple hours ago.
Bro, that's an excuse.
He's flying his private jet.
It doesn't matter. He told you to give him a call, so did you call him?
Yeah, no, not yet.
I bet you're the kind of guy that a girl gives you, a woman, beautiful woman gives you her number and she says, call me, and you wait like 3 weeks and then she's like, who the hell are you?
You could say that.
Okay.
You
It's
could
all
say
right.
that
Nothing
because
wrong with that.
it's not the looks that I look for.
Okay.
Usually, that's the cause of all my financial problems.
Well, I ain't gonna lie there, bro. You know, that's
All
that's that's not
right.
hey.
All right, so this is what we're doing today. We're watching the nice little green line crossover. Where is it? Where are my lines? Okay, my lines don't look too good. Here's my green. Hold on, where is it? Here is my green. Queen, queen. Oh, there it is. You just can't really see it.
Oh,
All right, so I'm waiting for my the market. Well, I'm not going to trade for the first 15 minutes. There's absolutely no trading for the first 15 minutes. Let's make this lighter. Okay, done. And I'm waiting for this orange line, which is called the VWAP, and for the green, once it chooses its direction. Um, so the 200 is right down here. I am assuming the market is going to be going in an up direction. It did gap up today. Oh, look at that. It gapped up. So it looks like momentum is changing to the upside. Look at that. There's this top right here of 408. So beautiful. I'm going to do a Vinny here. High, low, and today's open. All right, amazing. Let me get rid of my trend line.
can I share something to the screen real quick?
Yeah, what you got?
I'm just gonna show you how I got SPY mapped out this morning. That's it. Okay. That's how I got SPY mapped out this morning. Huge uptrend.
403.65.
Yep.
And it just passed it. Well, hold on. Is that the same one you got marked?
Yep. This is all SPY right here, bro. So there you go. I don't know what's going to happen with it. I'm so tripped out right now with the market, like it really is. So I'm just playing the. I'm not playing. I'm not trading what I think it's going to do. I'm trading what I see it doing. Does that make sense?
Yes. So you're trading what it's going to be doing at the
I'm
moment.
trading technicals only. I'm trying to shut out the noise around the world, all the garbage. I'm trying to shut it all out. I'm just trading what I see, and you know, and that's it.
2 minute. Ah, look at that. 403. And it's coming right back down. Okay, let's see what it does here.
So let's get you back on your screen. This screen is here. If you want to bring it up, you can bring it up. But I'm
Yours,
going to
yours.
leave that screen for you.
So
Up
Vinny, well, um, all right. So that's what I'm waiting for. Once it chooses a direction, that's why I wait 15 minutes. Once it chooses a direction, then But as of right now, um, I really wanted to turn it around the other way because the 200 EMA right here becomes good support, and it kind of just shows the direction. It's just basically the odds of it going in that direction are pretty good. So I'm expecting if the 200 stays down here, I'm expecting this to go to the upside and I'm going to make money going up. If it doesn't and it crosses to the other side, then I'm just going to buy again, making money on the way down.
okay, sounds like a winner.
Not really. I didn't really get into details. Coffee, coffee, coffee.
Where's your coffee, bro? You need your coffee. Where's your coffee? Why do you not have coffee?
This is going to be my second cup here, man. Damn, I've got to tell you, man, if anybody's watching and you're ride sharing and stuff, um, you got if you don't make connections with people, I mean, you should take advantage of those.
Bro, you didn't tell your people good morning on your chats, bro. You're such a rude host.
Good morning, dude. I am running. I am running. Hold on.
Bro, you're not in the car.
Ah, yeah, I'm
You're
not in the
just
car. I'm so
tired and
sorry.
all.
Hold on. Let me say good morning.
Yes, you should say good morning to your peoples. Quit being rude. Don't be rude.
All right, let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. I don't know. I see an up going, but I'm still gonna wait. I need to change my colors on my lines, points of resistance, support
Why?
and resistance. I don't know, like when I mark my high and my low and my mid, change the color so I know which one, what they are, what they're marking. So when I'm coming up to them and I'm talking about it, I don't have to like zoom out and be like, oh, what
Right.
is this? I was like, oh, it's a previous. I could be like, oh yeah, it's a previous support from like a long time ago.
Morning, Richie. My man Richie.
Richie,
Richie's following you, bro.
yeah, I
Richie,
know he's following me. Richie,
you're
Richie,
stealing my followers.
Richie is in my channel, right, Richie?
Richie's on your channel now, bro.
Yeah, Richie. Hey, Vinny, I keep hearing an echo.
Oh, well, let me put on my headphones on. That's probably me.
All right, Richie, watch this, Richie. I wait for the green line to cross the yellow line, and then that's when I make my purchase.
All right, is the echo gone?
Yes, it is. I think so. Yes, it is.
All right.
Okay, there we go. See, this is why I wait the first 15 minutes.
Why do you wait the first 15 minutes? Tell
Because it's
me, tell me, tell me,
unpredictable.
tell me,
It
tell me,
just
tell me.
seems to be everybody's buying, selling, especially that it gapped up today. So look at this. Look, it gapped up. So people are like me like, "Ooh, I made a lot of money. I'm selling." Okay, and I'm assuming maybe the other ones are like, hey, I just lost a lot of money. I'm getting out. Oof, oof. This looks so nice. All right, let me go back to my 2 minute. It's disrespecting the line. I needed to choose. Oh man, it's freezing. I got the heat going. I got the coffee. I got a thermal under my shirt, and I am still cold. Okay, don't get scared. Don't get scared, Vinny. Don't get scared. All right, it's 39. We got 6 minutes left. When the yellow line crosses the, I mean, when the green line crosses the yellow line. Let's go. That is all I'm waiting for. What do we have for? Oh, you know what? Since I got twee screens, I can actually search for news here. Okay, what's going on in the market? Oh, Chipotle. Quarter four beat forecast to cap resilient in 2022. I don't know what that means. Stock rises after GDP beats Tesla leads Nasdaq jump. Oh, I thought Tesla was like supposedly a very bad polluting company. Where's Tesla? Oh my God, did you? Oh, I'm sorry. Tesla went from like 143 to 161, 158. Oh, what's going on with Tesla? I'm assuming it's the earnings. Oh, you're talking, but I don't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, yes, I can.
Okay.
Good.
Tesla beat the hell out of earnings yesterday, bro. Tesla beat the hell out of earnings. So they snatched and grabbed. SPY is consolidating this morning, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Spy is
consolidating.
like can't make a decision right now, so I'm just gonna wait for it to do something here. Only trading the Spy. I'm no one limiting myself, but if I get this VWAP strategy down, then I'll be good.
But 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 if you look at if you can see it, Eddie, if you look at my chart, consolidating at a support resistance level 403 and it's crossing the midline in the channel. So I'm not nervous yet. I'm not nervous yet. Not yet, bro. Not yet.
Are you in puts right now?
No, I'm not in a put. I'm actually in a
You,
call.
oh.
I'm in a very, very cheap call that a very low risk, high reward call is what I'm in. I am in a very low risk, high reward call. Would you like to know what that is?
How much is it?
Well, each call is 11 cents.
So okay.
So I'm just looking at the 409 call, and I've got one contract right now at 11 cents. because Sergio
Oh,
says
that's why.
$11 or $100 is too cheap to really trade and get burned enough to lose. And he's right. You got to lose money and understand how to make money. But
Yeah, but I seen people.
but
I
but
seen
I
some
don't play dollars.
experienced traders do it with half that.
Oh yeah, of course.
You know,
But
but
he is
again, it's not fair because they're experienced, so they know.
all right. Here is a bad sign right now. The dollar is starting to rise a little bit, and the VIX is starting to go up. So volatility is entering the market. Volatility is entering the market. We're seeing SPY starting to break below VWAP.
Look at this Tesla, Florida see big population gains. New York, Cali decline, according to Yahoo Finance. I wonder
Well,
why.
first of all, yeah, exactly. Nobody wants to live in California. What the hell? Nobody wants to live there, bro. Nobody
And
wants
that's
to live
supposed to
in
be
Cali.
the
Nobody wants
Sunshine
to live
State.
in New York. Oh, oh, getting crushed.
Wait, it's coming to the 200. Oh well, yeah.
I'm waiting to see if it hits the bottom of this channel, bro. It needs to cool off. It does need to cool off. But like I say, I'm in a very low risk, high reward contract. I position myself, and it does need to breathe. It does need to breathe a little bit, bro. Without question, it needs to breathe a little bit.
Is that what you got on your
Now,
channel? Let me see. Let me see your channel. Where is it? Oh, you took
wait
it
a
out.
second. What did I take out? What did I take out? What are you talking about?
Your screen feed.
Oh, did I? My bad, dog. I thought I removed the other thing.
See, so Vinny takes the channel. See,
Here, there you go.
let me see. Let me see what you got here. Zoom out.
How much more you want me to zoom out, bro?
I just want to see how you got it. How you got it.
There you go. That's what you wanted to see, right?
So no, not out, not in. I want to see where you have your where you have your channel touching, which is yeah, okay. I'll put the same way.
All right, there we go. What did that feel at? Oh, you motherfucker. Did it really feel like that? Sorry for the language, Eddie.
Hey.
My bad, YouTube. My bad, YouTube. I had a Brandon moment. My apologies.
See that I do Vinny's channel on mine. See Vinny's channel on mine, and it actually it literally just hit it.
Hmm.
All right, let's see. Here it go. Is it gonna go to the 200?
All right. So for all my low end friends, and low end in a good way, not a bad way, we're now in two contracts, two calls, 409. Um, I'm looking at my fib, which my fib is kind of telling me, all right, we're at the halfway point to breathe. The only thing that really makes me nervous here, so I got $20 invested this morning. That's it. In real live money. $20 invested live money.
Yeah, Richard. Sometimes Vinny corrects me and stuff about some things. Well, actually, he gives me suggestions like, hey, kind of like he gave me one about buying cheaper options and stuff, and it kind of made sense. And yesterday, I put it to the test. As a matter of fact, yesterday, my account was like 120 something dollars, I think it was when I left it. If I got this right. But after the live, I continued trading with cheaper options, and I got my account up to 141. So
It's not
um,
cheaper options. Don't say cheaper options. You got your monies up because you went into out of the money options
which were
strike.
cheaper.
And yeah, but
See,
yeah,
there you go.
okay, brother.
So the idea was that instead of buying two options at 70 something dollars and getting 10% on the two options, I could just buy 5 to 10 options at about $10 an option. All right, and I can make 10 um, unlimited profits from there, because and then I can sell a couple and make money off of it and hold on to other ones, break even. But my losses will be like minimized and profits are like, I guess, exponent. I mean, something like that, right?
Minimize your risk. Trading is about account management, bro. You got to be
There
able
it
to manage.
goes. It's taking a dive to the two. By the way, that's exactly where my line is, and you see how I just once it went past it, it was just like poof, dove. You could do a put. I could do a put.
You could do a put right here.
You could do a put.
Hmm. And here comes a retracement. Dig it dun, dig it dun, dig it dun, 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 dig it dun, dig it dun, dig it dun, dun, dun. But here's the thing: we got the dollar moving up. We got the 10-year bond moving up. We've got oil coming. Well, oil's trying to retrace, and we got the VIX moving up. The VIX is a telltale for everything. All right, I need SPY to bounce back up from here, but it looks like she wants to come down a little bit. And there she goes.
Is she gonna break the 200?
But on the 2 minute, is SPY is approaching oversold on the 2 minute.
Well, I am
What
on
a
the 2 minute right now.
what a run up on Tesla, bro. What a run up on Tesla.
Yeah, people. Oh, I don't know. I've been hearing that people. Oh, this just looks so nice. It just broke the 200. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Um,
Well, now you
where
want
am
to
I?
wait. Now you want to see if it's going to come back the other way, don't you, bro?
What?
Don't you want to? You're looking at put options, right?
Correct. But it is oversold. But I want to have it ready because I think it's gonna pop back up because it's coming up to
Okay.
that 400 level.
Okay.
So
Dollar starting to rip. Dollar is starting to rip. VIX is starting to rip. Volatility, my friend. Volatility is on its way.
okay, there it goes. Let me do. Here is my put.
Now, while you're doing that, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Eddie, why don't you trade 0 days to expiration options? You get more leverage.
Oh,
That
that's
is
what I'm doing now.
okay. Um, Eddie, I mean Richie, that's chopping the baby in half, in a half. We don't want to chop babies here, buddy. Good morning,
Yeah, guys.
Wes.
There's
Wes,
Mr. Wes. Hey there, Wes.
damn, he's having a good morning, bro. $106, 2.5 hours this morning. We eating guys on Uber. Let's go. Oh, he's doing Uber Eats.
Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta
Oh
take a
no,
peek.
we eat. Yeah, you damn right. We eat, man. Make that money, bro. Make that money, Hoss. Okay, Spy. Come on, buddy. Let this be a good bounce. Let this be a good bounce. Can we get a big V here? Eddie, we gonna get a big V here or what, bro?
Let's see.
Are we gonna get a big V?
According to my strategy, um,
A V? Are we gonna get a V?
it could come that right back down if it bounces off the 200. My EMA is crossing to the downside, and it's already crossed my VWAP to the downside. Let's see if the 200 holds up. I'm looking at the one.
Let's get Eddie back up.
That's on the 1 minute. See, these are all my EMAs. So I have my 9, my VWAP right here, but I also have my other, what is this? Sometimes I feel like putting them up, putting more EMAs up. No, what did I just do?
I think Spy might come back down to this 400 level, bro.
Where's my EMA? 5. Did I just erase it? I don't know, Vinny. I'm following my strategy here, and everything says it's indicating
What's it indicating, bro? Tell me, tell me, tell me.
that
Tell me.
I got a reversal going here.
Well, it broke below my channel. See how it broke out of that channel? See your trend lines you got there?
Day trader 1. Hold on, I need to reload this again. I don't want to.
Richie, you said you bought Tesla puts. Richie, I don't know where you bought your puts at, but Tesla is trying to retrace. I mean, it's so high up right now, though. Oh my god!
2 minute.
All right, I'm done losing money in Genius Brands. Oh man, let's get rid of Genius.
See? Okay, now this is now my lines are totally different now. Oh, okay, I know why. I know why. There we go. That was actually my option. Telling you. Telling you. Okay, I'm gonna go with my instinct. Uh,
What is your experience telling you?
it's gonna go for the downside.
Well, you just had a major leg down, bro. Fuck is this?
Wait.
What the fuck is going on here?
Put. Okay, here we go. Okay, I am. Let me see. I am technically. I am. Okay, let's see. I am in 2 SPY 398 puts. I'm sorry, no, 4 buy. Damn it, I'm only in 1. Okay, let's see where it goes. I know it is over. I'm only in one, so my risk is pretty low. This is going to be my stop right here. The high of this 2 minute red candle, which is going to be a high of 401.43. If it goes above that, then I'm basically going to be out. Oh, Vinny,
Okay.
you're talking. Oh, you're muted.
Yeah, I was muted. I just had
Yeah.
to unmute. I had phone calls. I'm getting text messages. It's kind of tough to stay focused on what I'm doing.
See, it's not the 1 minute. What is this? 401.43. Okay. All right. I'm going to get out.
Are you up, down on these things?
I am down right now $6, but
And
it's
what did
just
you
like on my 2 minute is bouncing right off the my EMA.
have a little patience? Unless you really think it's going to go against you, have a little patience.
But I'm playing my two EMAs, so but technically I'm breaking my rule right now because
What's the rule? What's your rule? What's your rule?
the high of the previous candle, if I gotta put the high of my previous candle right above that is gonna be my stop. But it hasn't closed yet. It's just wicking right now.
All right, I got to put my phone on silent. Too many distractions, bro. Too many distractions. Fuck. Tesla's coming
But
back.
oh, and by the way,
Oh, what's
oh,
that?
it closed the gap. 440.
Now it's trying to push back up, huh?
Uh-huh. All right.
You were in puts or calls?
No, I was gonna put here. I was in a put here. I'm ready to sell. I'm ready to sell. But it literally closed the gap.
Well, you should be up. Jesus fucking Christ.
Technically, no, I'm down $1. If you see my P&L, now I'm up.
I'm looking. Yeah, I can see the green next to your money there. This should be an area where SPY should bounce back to the upside. I'm keeping an eye on the dollar. I'm keeping an eye on the VIX. Um, this should be a nice retracement back to the upside here. Bounce
Yeah.
off this 200
See, this is the thing that I do not like. Is that is when it
low
does not
RSI.
when it doesn't do what I wanted to do, like right then and there. So I'm gonna get
Oh,
out,
man, you sounding like a
and I'm
woman. What the
and I'm
what
gonna
the
do it again later.
sounding like a woman, bro? What the hell?
Price 40 limit. Sell.
He
Okay,
didn't
I'm
do what
out.
I wanted him to do when I wanted him to do it, so therefore he's on punishment.
That's right.
So let me show you what I'm looking at. You see, I got that blue line in there,
Uh-huh.
right? So it's
It broke the
consolidating right
channel.
now. Right. Well, it broke the channel a while ago, but I'm having a little patience because you can see I got my Fibonacci up. See the fib? although it was a full retracement off this leg, you know, but it hit that 200. So I was looking for a little bit of a bounce. It's just how much can we bounce all the way back to VWAP here? That's the question.
Well, let's see, because I don't like the idea that the VWAP is at the bottom and all my lines are above the VWAP. I needed to choose a direction to like somewhere.
Well, I mean, the market was already high this morning.
Correct.
You know what I'm saying? The market came in high. Where I made my mistake this morning was I jumped because it kept consolidating. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is where I kind of made a mistake. So this morning, here's the open, right? Here's the open. And you see how I kept consolidating along the bottom here, along the midline of the
Uh-huh.
channel. But what I didn't pay attention to because I kept getting freaking distracted here was this little part right here. Hold on. I'm going to show you. Look at this. This is resistance. You see that?
Uh-huh. All the candles stop right there. Closed.
Right. So 403.77 is where it was resisting. It, in essence, is where it was resisting. Was like right around here. Hard stop. So now we got to. Now I need to wait and see what happens because I'm in a little high on these contracts. Right. I got two of them at 10 cents. And I'm so hesitant. I don't want a dollar cost average down and buy three more at 4 cents. I should, but I want some confirmation that this trend is going to run up. Again, very low risk, very high reward if it pops. If it doesn't pop, I lose $20. Big deal.
I just need my line to cross over the green line to cross over the yellow line. That's all I needed to do.
All right.
And then that's when I start making
Here's-
my decision. And again, I like it more to the upside than I do to the downside because where's my 1 minute? Because the red line is under everything, which is a 200 EMA.
See, I'm going to open up my time frame here a little bit. Now, this is the 5 minute. Big difference when you look at a 2 minute chart, 5 minute chart, right? We're playing in the mud. 10
Uh-huh.
minute chart, 10 minute chart. We've actually got, you got a big red candle, here, another red, another red. So on a 10 minute chart, it's not good,
Looks
but
like
I
it's
like what the candles are doing. But the only problem
doji,
is, so
doji.
well, yeah, right now it's trying to form an inside bar. Doji, it's trying to form an inside bar here. Lower high, higher low, and usually when you get that, it signals continuation of the trend in that direction. Also, look at the volume here on the 10 minute candles on the 10 minute chart. RSI is about middle, but look at that green and then three big red candles, volume candles. So it's screaming at me, hey, watch yourself. Watch yourself.
I
So let's see what happens.
just need this thing to choose a direction. And it's not moving, so there's no volume.
Nobody's paying attention to the chat. Okay, I'm paying attention to the chat.
Oh no, I
Uh
got it. I was just saying, people.
oh, you've been paying attention?
Yeah, and people just be making suggestions.
Yep. 2 to 1. Yeah, I mean that two
Yeah,
to one is good. I never got into I understand risk reward, stop losses, but I tend to go with a feel on things and it's been successful for me. Um let's see, Wes, I'm trading 2 MT4 on iPhone. I got it. Okie dokie.
MT4. What's
I
MT4?
don't know. I'm not sure. Had $25 down this morning, now only $5 down. I'm trading for oh, he's trading Forex.
Forex.
So MT4 must be either a
500 to 1
platform.
leverage.
Yeah, that's woo. And
Damn.
drive it over.
I know. I
Uh,
tried. I tried using a Weeble and trade in the car. and didn't work out. Yeah, I was not doing.
Glad. Yeah,
Yeah.
I get that. I get that. Vin, what's your driving schedule? Dude, my driving schedule is chopped up, but I usually drive in the afternoon, evenings. I tend not to drive on Wednesdays. I only drive on Sundays if I need to. I definitely drive Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. I'll be out tonight. I did drive Monday, was a dud. I went out for a couple hours, only got one ride that was worth taking out of three requests. But then I went out Tuesday. So Monday, I think I made like 28 bucks on one trip. But then Tuesday, I went out and did 160 on three trips in about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, something like that. So it wasn't terrible. Like I say, I didn't drive yesterday, but I've got a client coming in today. I think he comes in at 6:15, and I will be out for the night. I'm gonna play hooky with the hose on the street. I just find with the slowdown right now, dude, like you really got to pick your spots. When you go back look through your work history, you gotta pick your spots when you're gonna drive, dude. You gotta pick. We were talking about that on the live broadcast last night about you know, wasting time and knowing when to drive, when not to drive.
See, that's why I
We
take my times off at about 8 till about 12, because it kind of just dies to the point that the amount of money that I'm not gonna, that I'm gonna lose is not substantial.
right.
So I take about 4 hours off, but
Yeah, but you're really I mean, you're taking time off from driving. That's the other thing we are talking about last night too. Is how much time how often do people look at the apps when they're off when they're not working? You have to constantly checking the app. It's an addiction. And you got to learn how to get off these apps sometimes. You got to just get away from it for a little bit, focus on other things.
this is my excuse to get away from the app, but not from making money.
They want to make you addicted to this damn thing, man. I was guilty of it for a while. I was like, "Oh man, I'm constantly checking the app. I need to be online. Need to be online. I can't make no money if I'm not online. Not online, man, dude. That is just a jacked up way to live. If you're a slave to the app, bro, that's bad. That's
Yeah, because
worse.
then you get stuck on the app for like 7 years and stuff, and it's like it's no
Oh,
way, no,
that's not
no
fair.
way, no, or 13.
I've been on
I
the
don't
apps
know.
for 7 years.
No, I'm talking about like full time.
Yeah, that's craziness.
Yeah, no. Some people just do it like it's like, yeah, don't get me wrong, it's like nice. I'm talking about full time, I'm not talking about like because part time.
I
I'm
hear
talking
you.
about like me, I depend on it. But I can't do it forever. I can't do this. No way. No way. No way, caballeros.
What the hell is a caballero?
Caballeros, caballeros.
What the hell is that? Is that like my buddy?
MetaTrader. Oh yeah, I've heard of MetaTrader. Man, I never really used it. I've heard of it. Um, but I just, I've never really got into it. Okay, maybe I'll take a look at it, Wes.
Uh,
What do you know about MetaTrader there, Vin?
Nothing. What is it?
I don't know. It's just, how they've been.
What is it? Is it a platform?
I guess so.
Nah, I've never heard of it.
That shows stack trades. I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta check. I never really. I've heard of it because the name kind of hits me. MetaTrader 4. All right, who is this? Oh, Wes. Oh, okay. I know what MetaTrader is. Okay, now that's how I remember. Yeah. So, MetaTrader is kind of like so it's a trading. If I got this right, Wes, it's a trading platform, but that connects to your account. This way, um, you can get in and out of trades really quick, but it's just a platform, so you have to pay like a fee for it. So, but if you have if you have a company that you pay, like TD Ameritrade, it's they have their own platform, but you can use another platform and it links to your Ameritrade. This way, you're not switching. You know, you're not looking at two things.
Gotcha. Hey, Joseph, yeah, you're right, bro. It's surge baiting. It's absolute surge baiting. It's like your wife says, "Baby, hurry up, get home." You get home, and then she's like,
Yeah.
surge baiting, bro. 100%, dude. I'm not, bro. I feel you on that one. Okay, bro. What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do? Look,
I
look at
don't
your
know.
shirt. Look at
Yeah,
your
I know.
shirt, baby. What's your shirt say, baby? What's it telling you, bro?
It's looking like it's gonna go up.
I don't trust it.
So
I don't trust it. I don't trust it.
let's see. I just needed to break it. The V. See, that's why, because it hits my orange line or yellow, whichever color you want to call it, and you just hit it, and it just came right back down. And that's on my 2 minute. Let me look at my 1 minute. My 1 minute, literally, it's like on my 1 minute, it's like right there too. See, just touched it, and it came right back down. I needed it to break above it. Once it breaks above it, then this no matter the odds of the resistance now becomes support. And if it holds, then I'll buy on the way up. And usually I also wait for how bad, like when like once it breaks, does it pop? If it pops, then I'm in. If it doesn't, then I kind of just chill. And it's been working for me. That's why sometimes you see the stock like it'll take off once it breaks a certain point, and then I'll get in really fast because I'm expecting that momentum to keep going because it already broke that support level. So other people are jumping in also.
All right,
Ooh,
we gonna
I
break
see I
VWAP here.
see I see that upward. I don't know. No.
We're
All
gonna
right,
break VWAP.
let's see. You know what? I am. All right, let's do this. What's my call? Right here. My call. Let me go. Let me just get at 42.
Friend of mine just texted me. Apparently, we have a high end insurance convention in town, and he made a killing last night.
Okay. Buy my two 405 calls at about $40. Come on, get in, get in. I am in. All right, I am in. And now, if it stays above my VWAP and it comes down to it, then I might just, like, if it consolidates right above the line, then I might throw in two more. And now that's the idea. Now I'm assuming momentum is going to change to the upside. Green line is breaking above the VWAP. My 200 is right under, so support. I got my support right here. Ooh, ooh, it feels so good. Let's see what
Richie,
happens.
we're not looking at Microsoft. We're looking at SPY. We're trading SPY.
Only the SPY. Okay, here it comes. You come down, my friend, you touch that line, and I love you a very long time.
Woo!
Oh, that's the 1 minute. What am I doing?
Uh-huh. What are you doing, bro? Dig it done, dig it done, dig it done, done, done.
Look, what I'm doing right now is I bought my call, but in anticipation to the upside. Um, so I'm kind of like used to it a little bit. So I see it go. Oh, do you see what I mean? Once you get used to it, you kind of just see it. But let's see. Hopefully, it doesn't come back down. on my two. Where's my two? Everything is so small on my screen. Okay, there it goes.
Bro, you got 3 big screens. Nothing should be small.
Okay, let's see. All right. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. So this is my calls. These are my puts. I have everything set this way. So if I buy two calls right here, so now I'm technically, oh, so about like 49 and 43. What is it? Like 40, 44, 45 average. So I'm like, so I'm about almost $200 in. And all right, let's see. Look, my green line is crossing the yellow line. Of course, my stop is going to be under my 200. My God, under my VWAP right down here. All right, and then I'm looking for it to take off to this line. See this line right here, this line. On the way to there, I'm gonna sell. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get ready.
Oh, let's see. We're back in the channel.
Uh-huh. What is this? People say don't complicate it. See, and this is the problem that I have. It's taking too long, and when it takes too long, I'm always saying to myself, okay, so like it's like hitting something, and it just doesn't want to go.
Bro, number one rule of trading is patience. 80% of trading is patience. Waiting for the right setup. You can't force the trade. Never force the trade. Like my dumbass did this morning.
See that I'm right here on top of my bid, ready to sell.
You cannot force a trade. You got to
Oh
let the
wait,
setup come
ah
to you.
damn it! I keep looking at the 1 minute. So I'm doing good. Strategy, candle close over the VWAP, okay, and wait for the cross. Wait for the cross. Wait for the cross.
Wow, oil is just tanked. Jesus, man. That's good. If oil is tanking right now, see, let me show you something. Let me see if I can bring it up here for you. There it is. Look at this. Look at this move on oil right now.
Oh, let me see.
Uh,
Let me see.
here it is.
Ooh,
That's a big rip to the downside on oil. But here's an area of heavy consolidation. We
yeah,
got
right there.
heavy area consolidation right here. So basically, it's coming back into the consolidation area. Yeah, that's close enough. But woo! See, I'm not paying attention to the news. I don't know what the hell just happened.
What is 20% of a 200? 40.
40. Yeah. Oil just ripped.
Come on, I know my strategy works. Jess, you little bastards! Go green. I know you should be green. It should be no P&L 27. There you go. Ah, Jess.
Ah, ah. Do that again, Eddie. Hold on. Do that again, Eddie. You're on live. You're on big screen. Do it again.
Je-
Ah.
Oh, Jess. Bastard. Yeah. Okay, I sold two. I should have two. I sold two.
All right, we
30
got
bucks.
another El Barbu. The Barbu. One of my buddies does trading, full time trading is his only source of income. Bro, you
Yeah,
know what? I tell you, if I don't have what's the right way to say this? I'm a pretty confident guy in whatever I do. I've always found success in everything I do, everything I do. But I don't have the cojones, the Benoit balls, you know, them things you rub in your hand like this to relieve the stress. I don't have the cojones yet to go full time. I wish I did. And it might come to a point with the way the goddamn economy's going, I might have to go. I just gotta make a decision, bro. And it's hard to make that decision. What
come
the
on.
hell?
Give me that move. Give me that move. Like I know you want to go. I could see it.
Bro. So somebody just asked me if I want to go to Tampa this weekend. I don't know, Eddie. What
Um.
do you think? Think maybe I go to Tampa work this weekend?
Hell yeah.
I've
There
never
it
worked
goes.
Tampa. Ron has worked in Tampa before.
Ah, you know what? I'm taking
I've
my
never worked in
profits.
Tampa before.
I'm taking my
What's your
profits.
percentage? What's your percentage, bro?
28.26%.
That is a winning day. How much did you put at risk today? Did you did
200.
you did you were they in the money calls puts or out of the money calls?
No, there are actually out of the money. Three strikes out. And it cost me about 40 bucks each one, somewhere give or take. See that?
Yes.
See that? Okay, so it's
Yes.
working. It's working. Yeah.
Well, it worked today. It worked today.
Now I just gotta
It
keep
worked
doing
today
it
for you.
consistently.
Yes, Eddie. I just did the dance
Nice.
for you, bro. Look, that's the dance. I gotta teach you some moves, bro. I gotta teach you some moves, bro. Gotta teach you some moves. Oh my god.
There you go. It's gonna keep going, but I don't know. I don't like it. Maybe I'll do like one. I'll do like one, but I'm gonna buy. Hold on. Call. I'm gonna be very, very cheap
What do you mean?
on my call.
Why are you gonna be cheap on your call?
Just what is this? 407, $29. Does that sound good? 29, 27. I'm waiting for it for a pullback and then to take back off again. I want to hold on to my profits. So even if I was to lose the whole value of a $25 call, I'm still profitable for the day
All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. I just dumped the
because it's
loser.
25, see 27, 25. So if I was to buy like, whoa, 27, see 27, 28. So if I was to buy it, then that would be my loss, $25 or 28, and I will still be positive. Wait, hold on. This is my call. Look at this. Look at this. I'm shaking. I'm shaking
Why are you Yeah, I can see it. You
because
you
I'm
look really
nervous. Because I'm nervous. Because if this keeps going working into my favor, then I'm gonna go ahead and go live. But technically, um, I made my money. Oh, you know what? I'm so. I'm gonna go cheaper. Oh, this 407 one looks really good. It is trading. It's got volume. No, no, it doesn't. Okay, 407. There we go. $15. I'm gonna buy because it's touching a line.
Oh, here comes oil. Oil's making a comeback. Whoop, 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 whoop. Is it? Is it? Is it? Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look what oil did. These are what they call rug pulls. Short sellers and rug pulls. That's a rug pull. Somewhere in the market, somebody decided, up, nah, too much money made. Let's sell off. Whoop. And then everybody FOMOs into the sells. And then next thing you know, beep, 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 they buy it back.
All right, I'm in a 407 call that cost me $12. $12.
Okay. Low risk.
Very low risk. Very low risk.
Now this is what? Trade number 2 for the day or trade number 3?
No, this is gonna be trade number three, so it's my last trade.
Okay.
It is my last trade for today. Yeah, and by the way, with this surge stuff that's going on, um, man, like I'll get to the surge, it'll keep disappearing on me. It's just like, dude,
Surge baiting, bro. Surge baiting.
yeah, and they do it on purpose, and it usually happens when I have my phone off. I have my phone off, and the surge is like right there, and then I will go there, and it will start like it will the fog starts like getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
Mhm. Of
But
course, it
like
knows
so,
where you're
but like Sergio said, they're gonna get busted. I just hope that the stuff with the casting questions.
at. No Uber for Eddie today. Eddie was
Oh
already out.
yes, no, I was out this morning. I was up at 4 o'clock. I made a quick. I think like I make like $80, $88. I had a. It was only 3 rides. It was only 3 rides. Yep, three
Y'all hear
trips.
that, right? You hear that, right? That's the life of a Lux driver. When he says,
Yeah.
only did 3 rides for $80. Only 3 rides for $80.
So I almost didn't wake up this morning. I was like, I gotta go. Um, sometimes I wake up in the morning and I just kind of like lose my mojo. But it's all right. I got up, I did my call, $65. Then he tipped. That was my pilot.
The
Um,
pilot, the plane,
and then
boss.
I did a regular couple of X's after that. I did one X and a comfort. All right, come on, Reggie, come on.
All right, Tesla is in a consolidation zone. So is everything's just in consolidation mode right now.
8:30, 9:30,
Where we at? We had 10:30. Got another half hour to go to 11 o'clock.
30 minutes, and then I'm done trading. But I kept to my first rule, which was the first hour of trading, and then that's it. So technically, I made my money. That's it. I made my money, and I'm risking. I made 43 dollars, and I'm risking $12 maximum out of that 43 to see if it keeps going in that particular direction, which that's what I'm predicting is gonna do.
The probability is strong with this one.
The force is strong with you, Jedi. Yep, and there it goes. Look, I gotta thank that kid that I watched on YouTube. He's like, all I do. He's got a little character that when he talks, the character like will talk. He's like,
Okay.
and he even changed his voice on it. And he's like, and that is literally all that I do. I wait for the green line to cross over the yellow line, okay, and then I purchase it. All right,
Uh,
going up.
huh?
If it crosses to the downside, then um, I make money going down. And the one other thing that he added on it, which I did also, which it makes sense, was putting the 200. So if the
Right.
200 stays under everything, that's assuming that's going to be that's like kind of like it's indicating direction because this is the last 200 days. So there's
Or
a good
200 bars.
a
Not
200
200 days,
200
200 bars.
bars. So 200 bars is indicating that the overall momentum is like up,
Mm-hmm.
up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm
Glide.
going with it.
No, I think it's great. It's awesome. That's a good thing. It's what works for us. It's what our mind's eye sees. Glide. Like I said, I usually work in the afternoons. Mondays, Tuesdays, my afternoon, evenings. Wednesdays I don't work unless it's something special. Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays I hit it hard as long as I don't have nothing planned. And then Sundays just depends on what's going on. That's my driving schedule, sir. It's usually between, we'll say 20 to 30 hours in a week. And I'm usually banging out anywhere between 700 and $900. That's a good 30 hours a week, bro. To gross 900 is pretty good money. And then, then you get into the subtracting your costs and deductions, da 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 da.
Oh,
But
bathroom break. Bathroom break.
but 30 hours, 30 hours is a good spot. It's a good amount of hours. Yeah, exactly, bro. It's a good amount of hours right there, bro. Cuz like think about it. That's 30 hours. That's 30 hours if you're in your car online. That's 30 hours sitting on your hind parts. That ain't good. that ain't good. That ain't good. I don't know how these women do it, bro. I mean, I ain't a woman, but anything more than 30 hours, now you're talking full time. And if you're going to do that, then you need to be doing like Eddie. You need to be at it in the mornings, at it in the evenings, when people are moving. But then like Sergio said last night, do you really want to be out there stuck in rush hour traffic? I hate rush hour traffic. I think it's the worst. All right. Did we have Oh, that's what I didn't check today. I knew we had market stuff at 9:30. I mean at 8:30 this morning, the numbers. We got anything else today? 10 a.m. new home sales, and that's it for
Mine
the
is
day.
damn. Mine is double that. 30 hours. Mine's 60.
But no, we're just saying 30 hours is a good part time. Anything more than that is full time. That's all.
Where are we at? Where are we at? Uh, by the way, yeah, that we're just talking about the shooting in Cali. Um, so I'm assuming people is just gonna start. More people are gonna start leaving California and they're gonna start coming here again. I hear it
Well,
from Texans. They was like, oh, they just had another shooting. Now, watch, they're gonna start more gonna start coming here. I just don't understand why they just make it a lot easier for the law abiding to be armed. It's just, oh, are we gonna go back down? Do not close under the VWAP. Yeah, no. Nah. All right. Yeah, it's gonna come back
So,
down.
I had a conversation with someone real quick, and it's real talk. Yeah, here we go. Now everything's spiking down.
Uh huh.
What time is
All right.
10:38?
Well, I'm
So
gonna
you got
sell my Hold on. This is my call. Yep. Make sure that I'm selling the right one.
Richie, pay attention to your Tesla puts. I don't like the direction this is going. Just don't like it right now. All right, that's no good no more.
Yeah.
This
Sell
is
my
no
put.
good
It's
no
not going in
more.
my direction. Okay. Sell my put, and I am done for today. Sell. 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 Sell.
Just a lot of consolidation. It's a bigger range than normal for consolidation, but there's a lot of consolidation going on right now. Lots of consolidation going on right now. So the algorithms, the hedge funds and algos will start bouncing between an area in a range. And when you see that range, that consolidation, it's could be a number of things. Could be retail traders getting in, getting out. We're waiting for capitulation. The bear market rally is what did Wolf what did Maverick say? Either the Fed comes to the rescue because we're definitely not in a bull market. The bear market rally will not end until retail
Thank you.
traders give up and decide not to invest anymore, or the Fed comes in to the rescue. Now we're going to find out. FOMC meeting. Does Powell continue to be aggressive with the rate hikes? Or does he say, okay, that's enough, we'll put it on pause? Because if that happens, then whew, the market's going to skyrocket. But if that happens, inflation is going to go through the fucking roof again. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute.
There you go. Yeah.
Sorry,
You're
Eddie. Hold
breaking.
on. Hold on. Hold
You're breaking your own rule.
on. FBI, open up! Sorry about that, Eddie. I'm so sorry. I got to be quicker with the soundboard. You got to blame the soundboard on Kiera. You know that, right?
Yeah. No. Well, we need some more. We need some more sound effects.
I don't know what else I got here. What else I got here?
Let me see.
Ain't
Yeah. No.
nobody got time for
That's all
that.
I got. GDP. What? Say it again.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah.
When am I supposed to go get more sound effects?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You gotta have lots of sound effects. It's literally bouncing right off the bottom of my channel.
Yeah, that it's in a range. It's in a range. So now, if you can catch the range, and you're okay with making 2-3% per scalp, and you got enough cash behind you, you can
Yeah.
you
No.
can stay
I'm
rangy.
done. I'm done. $39 for today, which still puts me over there at about a little bit over 20%. Ah, yeah. So, all
Good
right.
job.
So it looks like yeah, $1,000 account. This way I could be in and out, in and out, in and out.
Now, how do you feel about risking lowering your risk as far as total money put into play? You see what I was saying? You can put a lot less money at risk and make the
Well,
same or more money on the
correct.
percentage.
So $1,000. Let's say $1,000 gets me to trade about 6 times, right? About
Mm,
6 times, but I only want to trade three.
I'm a big 20% guy. I know Sergio's like 7%. He says only put the risk 7% of your money. I like 20% to be super aggressive because you have to build your account. You're not looking to build over 3 to 5 years right now. Your 3 to 5 years is when you're buying shares. When you're trading options, options gives you an opportunity to build a small account really fast, but you have
Uh-huh.
to be willing to risk X amount of dollars or a percentage of your account. 7% is awesome. 10% is even better. But if you got
Yeah,
$1,000 in that
because it's
account,
7%.
so right, so you're willing to risk $100 of that account. So it's just a matter of what is your risk tolerance? What is your risk tolerance? How
I
big are
just want to be
your
able to
cojones?
buy a couple of options.
Listen, you could legit trade $100 worth of options on SPY every day. You really could. And you could, 60, 70, 80% of your money if you're sharp. If you're smart and you're sharp, you can do that.
Correct. See, but with
It's
my,
not financial advice.
I'm spreading my money out between this account and my TD. So I have about 200 left in cash with this
Okay.
one because I started with I think it was like 600, but I
Gave up
practicing with
4.
real money. Yeah, I gave up some money,
Okay.
making mistakes.
So maybe
But what I
next week.
what what I noticed with this one is maybe next week. But what I noticed with the paper trading account is that I could go in and out, in and out, in and out, and I could use the money because it's in the paper account. It settles like right there.
Mhm.
That's why with a bigger account, I can make more trades because I have more leverage.
Yeah, yeah, you got more muscle behind the hustle. I get it.
Correct. But I only use about $100, $200 out of that.
Yep. So again, it's rules, man. You got to have rules. Whatever your rules are, you got to have rules.
But I'm
It's
good.
all about
I
the
made my.
rules.
I mean, yeah. Hey, anybody else wanna day trading my way out of ride sharing? That rhymes.
What rhymes? You're
Day
a poet.
trading my
A
way out
poet.
of ride sharing.
How the hell does that rhyme? What the
Day
hell
trade.
rhyme is that?
Day trading my way out of ride sharing.
That's not a rhyme, dude.
I said that they rhyme. Ride sharing and day trading.
What the hell kind of Puerto Rican rhyme is that?
Yeah, yeah. I should make a song on it. It sounds nice.
Oh, you want to do a Ronnie Spee?
Oh yeah, you see his video?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
He did
yeah,
like a
yeah.
little music video.
Yeah, he's getting into producing and making music. That's a good thing, bro. What does he
So
do? What does he do? The drum roll,
he's like,
the guitar, the piano. Yeah, yeah, boy, Ronnie. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. A little long for my taste, but I like it. It's pretty cool. And then he's got some little music he's making in the background, bro. I like that. I like that.
yeah, no, I think that's his. He made that those beats.
I
But
I would not doubt that. Yeah, and it's solid. It is solid.
Eddie Spee, hey, Glide, don't take it, don't mix me. Ronnie hooked me up. Ronnie gave me like, hey, let's get you some subscribers and stuff. Let's do like he interviewed me and stuff how I was making my $2,000 a week. And he got me started. He got me started. Got really motivated with Ronnie. And then I just started doing my own video. I was doing my own videos doing it at that time, but I guess I got enough recognition to get the ball rolling, and that's why I was Ronnie, man, pretty good. And he got my attention because he was making more money than me, but he was doing it in a Prius. Um, but he was in Cali, so in Cali the money it's so he was making more money, but everything over there is more expensive.
Yes, sir. All them damn taxes they got to pay in that damn. Bro, do you hear the latest? Do you hear the latest news out of California? The bill that
Where you're cutting in and out.
hear the bill that Newsom signed yesterday in California.
Was that the whole banning of
No, 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 no. It is now legal to allow illegal immigrants that Joe Biden has now allowed into the country with working permits. The way it read, it was those who entered the country illegally but were given working permits while they're waiting, to go to court or whatever for their
uh-huh.
asylum hearing. They are now allowed to become police officers.
Oh, in California?
Yeah, bro.
Go to California.
Like
They'll become a
I don't
cop
I don't
here.
Uh,
Tell me come up here. You ain't gonna get too far. We don't want that stuff here. But would you
I mean,
believe
it's
it?
okay to have good
You,
intentions. You know,
no, no.
people
It's
may have really good
so
intentions.
you're trying to make so the what he's doing is that break the
He's allowing a
law.
cartel to
Br-
become the law.
Correct. So you break the law, and I'm going to reward you by giving you a position to enforce the law that you broke.
100%.
Yeah, that's going to work. That's going to
100%.
work out just fine.
Bro. That's why I live in Florida, bro. I live in Florida, bro.
Yeah, no,
This this is my home.
FBI, open up!
This is
hey,
my home.
hey, like some people say, I was like, you do not need to be smart to be rich.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
You do not need to be smart to be rich.
Just you gotta have
The only thing Newsom needs is some better hair gel. It makes him look like a
bro,
grease ball.
bro.
He
He
reads just
he
like
is
seriously.
I
Out
don't
of all
get
the money that he
I
has,
don't get it, bro. I don't get it. This is a dude who thinks his stuff don't stink, you know? What
but the
a
thing is that
asshole this dude is.
he gets people killed. Look at what happened already. Oh no, it wasn't my fault. It was the it was the gun. I was like, no, it was actually the one that actually had it. Because guess what? All the law abiding turned the guns in, but guess who didn't turn it in? The
No, it never
criminals.
happens, bro. It
The
never
criminals
happens.
didn't turn it in.
Nope. They'll rob you of your money in a heartbeat.
Yeah, it's just like, dude. I was
And
like,
you know,
you keep putting these laws out. I was like, hello. That's why they're not law abiding because they don't follow the law. So
that's
he can
right.
put any law out there, but they don't need to follow them. If they follow them, they'll be law abiding. They if they don't follow them, they're criminals.
That's right.
But
That's right.
I don't
But
know. It's just common sense, dude.
but
I
you know
think
how
that
that goes, right?
I can.
You know how that goes, right? You know how that goes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I will split your wig in a
Yeah.
heartbeat. I will split your wig in a heartbeat.
Lord, listen. He's got some like something in that vape. Okay. Hey, I don't know if I can make the 5 racks a week. Hey, if I make 5 racks a week, it's gonna be doing this. It's gonna be doing this. And besides, it's slow market right now with ride sharing. So if it pick when it picks back up, I'm probably gonna be good. But Vinny, what with the vape?
Tell us about your vape, cuz. What flavor and strength? Well, it ain't no funny stuff. I can tell you that. Although
He's got
sometimes I
some
tell you,
shiny
it's
rocks in it.
funny.
Um,
No, to be
some
honest with you,
pottery stuff.
bro, 3 milligram killer custard. Killer custard is like a vanilla custard. 3 mils, the lowest level of nicotine you can get, because I need just a little bit of nicotine. The problem is I hit it too much now. Just way too much.
That's
Way
why
too
he's
much.
short because it shrinks everything.
What you mean short, bro? You need a step ladder to catch my height. What are you talking about?
Hey, I'm 5'6", but I got gravity
I'm
equator.
5'10".
There's a lot of gravity. Okay,
It's a lot
so
of gravity.
yup, and
It's a
that's
lot
why
of
we stay
gravity.
short. That's why Mexicans are short. Gravity, just gravity. Okay, I fall right in the same category. Oh, this thing is gonna break down,
It might
right?
something.
If I am right, the channel. See my channel, but head and shoulders.
No, not even
What?
close.
You don't see
Not
that?
even, not even close.
How do you not see the head and shoulders?
Bro, it's consolidation, homie. It's consolidation, homie. There you go. Where do you see a head and shoulders?
Right here, shoulder on the left hand side,
Nah, this is what
and
I
on the
see.
right.
I high a day. This is what I see. High a day. Okay. Fib retracement. High a day. Wherever you want to put it. Right to low a day. Right. And then I see a 70% retracement to right here, and then a rejection.
So
That's
what do
what
you
I see.
consider head and shoulders?
Head and shoulders. Here, let me show you. Something looks like this. So here's a shoulder. Okay, that's a shoulder. Here's a head, and then here's a shoulder. So what happens is on a head and shoulders, you'll get something. These shoulders will align, whether it's even across the shoulders, whether it's coming at a diagonal off the shoulders,
Uh-huh.
because you can get that too. You can get a head and shoulders coming down. Holy shit! God damn it! Now you got me screwing up my chart, bro. What the hell?
So it has to be like the same height?
Yeah, you generally want to see the shoulders coming to the same height, but it's on a plane. So you see, you can have a head and shoulders pattern that looks something like this. Here's the shoulder, comes through the head, and there's a shoulder. You could get that also. It doesn't necessarily have to be, horizontal.
Isn't that what's right here?
No, no,
Are you
no.
sure?
Positive. Where do you see it? This, are you considering this up here a shoulder?
No, not that. The one at the bottom right here.
Oh, look at this shit gonna come into this zone here.
Yeah. And
God
that
damn
is
it.
breaking the bottom of the shoulder and look, right?
I don't see a shoulder, bro. I don't see it. If you see it and it works for you, that's good. But I don't see it. I could be wrong. I've been
Yeah,
wrong before.
on the 2 minute. Yeah, look.
I don't see it. But I don't like the fact that it just broke through this channel.
Right here, shoulder,
Where?
head,
Where? Show me. Show me.
shoulder. Let me draw my lines.
Draw some lines for me, bro.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me get rid of that.
So you're counting. You're looking at this as a shoulder. Hold on. You're looking at this as a shoulder right here, right? You're
See?
looking at that as a shoulder,
Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh.
and then you're looking at this as a head,
Yeah.
and then you're looking at this as a shoulder.
Uh-huh. See?
Yeah, maybe, maybe,
Right? And then usually on the head and shoulders, once it breaks,
maybe. I could also see an ABC pattern. A,
and it just broke. Look to the downside right here. Zooming
B,
in. Poof. Now you can just buy a put
C.
and just ride it over to the 4.
Now let's see if it bounces up here off this and goes back up. A, B, C, D. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, bro.
Oh, wait,
Here.
hold on. I didn't see that. There you go.
So
Okay.
this line here, I'll make it in a color you can see. A, B, C, and let's see if it finishes it off A, B, C, D pattern. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. You only got 4 minutes. It's not going to happen in the next 4 minutes, though.
Yeah, no, 56. Ah, that's it. Only an hour and a half of trading. I made my
That's
money.
it.
Made
That's
my
it.
money.
You made your money. Now you get ready to go back out and do your
Yep.
thing.
Not yet. It's 10 o'clock. So I need to finish my cooking for the day. Um, Blackstone.
By the way, I'm down $4 today, live money.
Oh, live money.
I'm only down $4. I was in those two contracts at 10 and I got out at 8. So I lost $2 a contract. No big deal. Low risk, high reward.
Oh, well, that is it. I made my money today. $39. Only lost a couple of bucks after. See that? But it almost did it. And then this is what discouraged me. So this is what I saw, right? So it pulled back. It broke through. It
Mm-hmm.
came right back down. Okay, that's confirmation. It went up. sold a couple into profits into the break right here. Yep, this is my 2 minute. Or did I do it
There
on the
you
one
go,
minute?
brother.
Yeah, no, 2 minute. Um, and I sold it into broke the line, came back down to it. I sold the break. It came right back down to it again. I bought it again, but I was being really safe with it, so I can, hold on to my profits over here. And then here's what I bought that really, 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 really cheap one. If it continued its uptrend, but it didn't. It broke right back down. Look at that. It's all your
Yep.
fault.
Of course it is.
It is all
Of
your
course it
fault.
is.
All right, so let's do it
Of
again.
course.
But next, I don't know. You know what? I'll go live. No, 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 no,
What?
no, no.
What? Speak on it. Speak on it. What?
Let me see. Let me go into
Where's your Benoit balls? Since you got all this gravity holding you down under 5'6".
yeah, it's $192 that I have on my account.
Don't get greedy. Don't go
So,
until you're ready. Don't jump in until you're ready. Feel confident.
but I
But
really,
what?
really, I really want to take my 1,000 and turn it into two. Hey, I was under. So if I could take my 1,000 and turn it into 2,000 in the next week or so, then then I could go for it.
Well, that's
Oh, it's
that's
10
on
o'clock.
you.
It's 10 o'clock. Okay, we are done.
It's 11 o'clock, bro. What are you talking about? 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. What the hell are you talking about?
It's 10 o'clock here. It's 11 o'clock over there. It's 10 o'clock here.
It's 11 o'clock by me, bro.
All right, so we are done for today. I don't know if you guys. I know. Hey, Driven Dad is here too. Hey, what's up, Driven Dad? So yeah, we're pretty much done. Made my money. Maybe next week. No, no, no. I'm gonna stick to my goal. My goal. Hold on.
That's what I want you to start doing next week.
Goal.
Hey, for your haters.
Turn 1,000 to 2,000
No,
paper money.
no,
Then go live.
no. That's your goal?
Then go live.
That's your goal?
That's one.
Okay. Can I write my goal down now?
Oh, yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Okay.
You know what?
Goal. I wrote down my goal. Look. There it is. I wrote down my goal. See, that's my goal.
Oh, nice, nice.
A
No,
goal.
what
So
goes on
my
there?
goal. We're gonna go turn 100 into
200.
200
Nice.
live. Okay? That's my goal. And then my other goal is buy Eddie non-gravity shoes.
Oh, oh. Okay. See, my green, my red, and my yellow. So VWAP, and this is my strategy.
Understand,
I'm
Green?
gonna keep following.
Understand, money is a game of doubles, bro. Money is a game of doubles. That's
Red
what it is.
and
Money is a game of doubles.
green. See that? And that's a strategy.
So let's see. Month of February. Month of February. See, next week on Monday is the 30th. So that's the first week of February, though. So the goal is going to be to make $500 trading in the month of February for the purposes of this channel.
Okay, everybody wanted something. In return, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna trade my own money, and if I'm right, then maybe I'll change it instead of watch me lose my money, watch me make money.
Bro, don't tease him like that.
I'm
Don't
trying
tease
to
him.
return. Okay, so rule number one.
By the way, Eddie, remember that ABCD pattern I drew?
Yeah.
Take a look.
Oh, it's doing it. Is it gonna get past the two?
I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna break this line right here. Here's the key right here. Can it break that?
It's right above.
That's
It just passed the two on the 1 minute. On the two.
can it get past the little trend?
See,
That's what
on
we
the
got.
two is it's up on mine is above it. I mean, under it. That
What's
is your red. Is your red your 200?
yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at. Look at mine.
I don't want to look at yours, bro. I don't swing that way.
See what my 200 is? It's right down here.
Yeah, well, you just got different settings. Webull has a certain setting, TradingView has another setting, so that's all it is. It's not a big deal.
All right.
But if you're going to use trading platforms, then you want them to be synced. You want your settings synced. All right, bro.
All right, guys. Let's close this up. I'll see you guys. Okay.
See
Let's keep
ya.
making this money, and maybe next week we'll go lot. No. No. No.
Are we going live?
Absolutely not. I keep
Are
forgetting.
we
No, 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 no. I keep forgetting. I am not. Definitely not. I gotta stick to my goal. Stick to my goal. A
all right?
thousand into two. A thousand into two in paper money, and then I'll go with real money.
Are we trading tomorrow morning or are we coming back next Monday?
No, we're trading tomorrow morning. Is the market open tomorrow? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, market's open. It's casino day Friday.
Yeah. So, all right. Close this up.
Supposed to end it on Eddie. You either end it on that or you don't. I mean, what are we doing here?
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm sorry. All right. Up for today, $39. All right.
I
Leaving ride
lost
sharing. How much you
$4.
lose?
I lost
Oh,
$4. Lost $4, down $4. Y'all hit my Cash App and Venmo because that $4 is gonna break me today. And if you're from Jersey, I need you to make it like 6.5 for taxes.
that's right. Jersey effect. You got to pay
That's
more.
right. That's
All
right. I
right.
gotta pay more. Highest tax state in the fucking union. Oops, I cursed
I
again. My
thought
bad.
I thought that was Cali.
No, Jersey's got the highest taxes in the state, bro. In the country.
All right.
It's if I remember correct, it's New Jersey, then California, then New York.
Yeah, New York is
Amazing.
all
Amazing.
right. Let's close it. See you guys. Peace.
Ian,